Hey, what's up guys? So today's video, I'm just gonna be going over the items that I have to charge and make sure they're fully charged before I take off to my event. So what I'm about to share with you are all the items that I currently have right now. And these items I use every single event. Now I have 3-hour events coming up, which means I kind of have to double up on the amount of batteries I have and things like that. Start off with the bubble guns. With the bubble guns, like I said, eventually what you guys should do is go on Amazon and buy rechargeable batteries. So you guys can recharge these batteries and not spend too many dollars on purchasing AA batteries often. All right, let's go ahead and move on to this section right over here. All right, so I have my 4 RGB lights charging right now. As you guys know, this is gonna turn green when they are fully charged. I have my U200 light charging as well. Right now we are at, it's gonna need probably a couple more hours. I bought this power strip right here. One thing I really love about this power strip is that it has 2 USB outlets, which allows me to charge up more items when it comes to this process during event preparation. And then I have 1, 2 here and another one right here. So those are my lights. And then I have my little laser here also charging. I have it connected to my anchor and it's only pulling 3 watts. And then later on I can just fully charge my anchor again. Remember guys, I use this anchor to power up my Apple TV along with my TV. You guys see this right here? These are my 2 power banks. One is used for the iPad throughout the night, and the other one's used to be connected to my phone. One of these is gonna go right in here inside of the arm and then connect it to my phone up here. And if I use the circle light, I'll go ahead and connect that too as well. What else we got? We got our 2 Talon cell batteries, and I added these magnets to the bottom so that I can go ahead and mount that onto the bottom or top of the 360 booth, okay? All right, so that's that. And then let's go ahead and make our way right over here. We have the iPad, making sure that it's fully charged. Okay, make sure, who's that ugly guy? Make sure your iPad is always charged to 100% before you guys take off to your event. Also, my hotspot right here, it's at 50%. So we're gonna go ahead and have to charge this. I'm gonna turn it off for now. So later on I can connect it to the charger and make sure that I am bouncing out of the house with equipment that is fully charged to the maximum. Also guys, make sure the phones that you're gonna use or your cameras that you're gonna use are fully charged. I usually take my iPhone 13 and my iPhone 12 mini, which I'm using to record right now. This is my other phone line. So that is what I prep as far as things that need to be charged. And you know what, let me walk you right over here to this case right here. This case holds all my electronics. All right, so let's go over a few items that I think are gonna be really essential for you to have. Sometimes you're gonna use them and sometimes you won't even touch them. But the truth is, on the last event that I went to, I have 2 of these extension cables, and they're each 50 feet long. Now, I've only used one, but on the last event, the power outlet was really far away. So what I ended up doing was using both of these, okay? I have my fog machine right here. This cool little tripod was meant for my videos and selfies and stuff, but what I did is I ended up connecting this iPad holder. So now I use it as an tripod that stands up and holds my iPad, which is pretty cool. Another thing I never really shared with you guys is these right here. These are for the floor. So you put these down. Say you have your photo booth and you guys haven't gone completely portable yet. You're gonna have cables going from your motor to the outlet. Well, what you want to do is you want to cover that cable with this strip right here. And this is how the strip looks from the bottom. You put this cables inside here. These are nice to have. I have 2 of these. These I use from time to time to this day, just in case I want to cover up the extension cord that goes connected to my cold sparkle. I'm down to 1 cold sparkle machine right here. I'm waiting on another 2 to arrive. The thing with cold sparkles, guys, always get warranty. Always get extended warranty for your equipment, because eventually it's gonna take a shit on you, and these things are expensive. You wanna make sure you are covered. Now, at this moment, that's all I can think of. There's actually one last item that I recommend you guys charge, and that's your Apple TV controller if you guys are using an Apple TV controller. Other than that, I think I covered all the items that need to be fully charged before you take off to your event. I hope this video helps you guys. If you guys really like this video, give me a like. If you guys kind of like this video, give me a like. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I hope this really helps. Good luck on your next event.